Tourism, Negril is a big part of it. And Negril brings a lot of money into tourism. And so we think Negril worth developing. Negril people needs to benefit Chamber, and has always been the Chamber very much interested in seeing Negril develop and looking better than it is. So I think the people and the West End and the small business should see some of that tourism dollars and see that it's working for them.
Straddling the parishes of Hanover and Westmoreland, the resort town of Negril, which is dubbed the capital of casual, is home to one of the top 10 beaches in the world. Negril is also home to some of Jamaica's best bars, dwelling houses, and a mixture of boutique-type hotels, cottages, cabins, bungalows, and world-acclaimed all-inclusive resorts. Tourism in Negril blossomed in the 1960s. Prior to that, it was a small fishing village occupied by about 12 families. Negril has fast become an internationally diverse town, with many nationals of countries across the globe settling there permanently and opening businesses. It was the recognition of this growth why a group of Negril residents established the Negril Chamber of Commerce back in 1983 as a broad-based community organization working for the sustainable development of the tourism mecca, which is Jamaica's westernmost town. The mission of the Negril Chamber of Commerce is to promote economic progress, general welfare and prosperity, quality of life within Negril and its environs, and to foster a climate in which commerce, industry, agriculture, and the local community will flourish. Essentially, the Chamber's role is to champion both the cause of residents and the businesses within Negril. President of the Negril Chamber of Commerce, Elaine Bradley, has been a long-time community stalwart and volunteer in the resort town.
Miss Bradley is giving you your lovely wine. Show your money. All right.
A retired intensive care nurse, Mrs. Bradley is like a mother to the community where she has resettled for almost 3 decades.
Chamber, and has always been the Chamber, very much interested in seeing Negril develop and looking better than it is. We are on the way, and first, as Mr. Bartlett promised us, we will have a Harmony Park look-alike right here on this very beach. And we are praying and hoping that it's not just talk again, it is a reality. The Negril people deserves better.
Throughout the years, the Negril Chamber of Commerce has always held fast to the view that the town ought not to be seen only as a tourism town, but foremost a community where Jamaicans live, have built their homes, and deserve the physical and social amenities that come with an internationally renowned tourism mecca.
Tourism, Negril is a big part of it. And Negril brings a lot of money into tourism. And so we think Negril worth developing. Negril people needs to benefit. Yes, they might say through linkages they benefit, but the people are not seeing it and they are not feeling it. And I would like, if the park is developed, which the people can come out, it's some green space for them. Also the fruit and vegetable market, the roundabout, which is the town center of Negril, and the West End. Small businesses are up there and they bring in tourists, and tourists brings money. So I think the people and the West End and the small business should see some of that tourism dollars and see that it's working for them. I just want to add that I want to see all this come to fruition, because since I've come to Negril 23 years now. I used to come as a kid, but I'm talking coming back. I've been here in these talks, park, market, roundabout, and it's been sitting on paper. So the people would now like to see it come alive, and so they can enjoy it.
Chamber's plans for activities, the calendar of activities for the rest of the year? What are some of the things you have planned?
There are a lot of things planned. We have a gala coming up. We also have the soiree. I'm sure a lot of people, the July soiree, even though I wasn't here last year, but I heard it was brilliant. And so we are planning that again. Because as you know, the chamber is made up of volunteers. And so we need to have funds to get us to help do things in the community. And if you're putting on a fundraiser, it needs money to put it on.
Who can become a member of the Chamber of Commerce?
As far as I'm concerned, anybody who is willing to work and anybody who can see their community develop, then they can come and be part of it. And it has to be a working partnership. And it doesn't have to be money orientated. Give your time and dedication because you want to see better for the people and the country.
Jamaica Day. Tell us a bit about why the Negril Chamber of Commerce decided to do something like this.
Well, Claudia, as you know, I don't run a business. And when I was actually cornered into, maybe the word isn't cornered, asked to be president, it's been over a year and I was hesitant because as I don't have a business, and you know the Chamber of Commerce is business orientated, but mingling with all the other directors of the chamber, and they said because you're such a community person, it would be nice. Because as you know, without a thriving community, business is stagnant. So today's activity was actually the brainchild of Mr. Ricky Jackson. And he said he is 150% behind me. And he needs community to be more involved, and he knows that I'm a community person. So start off with this, hence this proceedings. He has supported it and he has backed it, and sorry he could not be here today, but he said that, you know, just let it go and let the children and the Negril people enjoy themselves and do real Jamaican things like skits and everything. So I took his lead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
From the roots to the fruits. One greatness met me got you from the roots to the fruits. From Marcus and Nanny came me and you. Nanny came me and you.
Come on. Ready, 2, 3. From the root to the fruit. From the root to the fruit. From Marcus and Nanny. From the root
to the fruit. From the root to the fruit. Me come from greatness, let me got you from the root to the fruit. From Marcus and Nanny came me and you. From Marcus and Nanny came me and you. From the root to the fruit.
Alright! Come now. Miss Brandy is giving you your lovely wine. Show your money. Alright. Alright, so we're serving ice cream and cake now.
Come on, you.
Alright, so I'm sure today for our school one. Tell me over Jamaica's national hero. Paul Bogle. Come in the red bag, sir, and people